What is up, you guys? It's your girl Alexa Takes a Look, and today we are back, with SB19. We are still in this damn journey. So yes, we've watched the damn music video. We have seen the choreography. We have watched the live performance, and now we are taking a look at the making. This is a song and choreography. I know that there are more sections, and we will do those at a later time. But we're going to start out with this first one because it's already like about 17 minutes long. So we're just going to jump right into it. Before I do, if you've not subscribed to this channel, please consider doing so. It helps me out. If you're looking at my hand, it's not injured. I just have eczema and I don't want to scratch my hand. Because, yeah, anyways, we're just going to get right into it. Let's go. All right, we have it pulled up here. It is longer. I have coffee to sip on. Let's go.
Sobrang nakaka-pressure kasi itong dam, sa totoo lang.
Oh, is this a choreographer? There's my husband doing his workout.
Yung weakness na pinapalakas namin, pinapa-strengthen namin, is hindi yung flesh, kundi yung soul na namin.
Oh, I did not look, Justin.
Pagiging warrior talaga.
Does he have a tattoo?
Hanggat hindi natatapos yung isang project, hindi ako makapagpahinga. Hindi rin ako makatulog ng maayos. Kasi parang may utang ako sa sarili ko na kailangan kong bayaran.
What a great attitude to have.
This is the biggest comeback ever. Ano ba kanya? Long V or short V?
Long version na para kompleto. Para masaya. Same lang naman, diba?
He's a Converse man. I like that.
Grabe yun. Ganda nung pasok nung...
Yung ending.
Nung napakinggan ko yung dam, marami siyang transition tsaka dynamics eh. So parang na-imagine ko talaga nun, maraming mangyayari.
Alam mo yung yung paglalabanin yung ano...
Sabong parang
yung parang dalawang tao, parang...
Tapos yung translate niya ibang feel din.
Kaya,
Tapos parang ano siya, parang hip-hop na 70s style na ano.
Yung sarap niya masarap sayawin.
Gusto ko yung variation. Actually, nagawan ko na agad siya nung nakuha ko siya. May dadagdag pa kasi ako mga
Oh,
choir.
he's drinking coffee too, and with a spoon in it, just like me.
Mga
Parang chanting na sa likod.
Parang ano talaga, as in, parang final battle. Pagdating naman sa recording ng song na Dam, this time kasi sobrang organized ng team namin. I guess, pero hindi siya naging madali eh. Siyempre, naging mas meticulous pagdating sa pag-record, sa pag-edit, sa pag-collate ng lahat para ma-release ng the best.
Bakit ba nagaganto? Dapat level sa
crowd.
Or dapat nga mas mababaw pa nga yung crowd eh.
Tapos yung ano, basta parang lawak niya.
Bakit ba nagaganto?
Sobrang lakas ng crowd eh.
Crowd na dapat
Oo.
Bakit ba?
Parang yung pasok nung may
Gagawin niya yung
instrumental
support
na
dapat yung
malakas.
ano ko.
Excited ang lahat dahil nga panibagong
What foresight there.
panibagong
That is such a good
So,
part
panibagong
too.
aral, panibagong matututunan na naman.
Na-imagine ko na, nafe-feel ko na maraming mangyayari sa sayaw.
Get it, girly. How do you even create something like this? It's crazy. Not Stell with the Crocs. Come on, Stell. Oh, he's not the only one either with the Crocs. They look so good though.
Tapos bat ba. So yung bat ba, bigla siyang susulpot. Sobrang nakaka-pressure yung part na yun. Dapat medyo weird siya. Sa sobrang inis na inis ko kasi wala na akong maisip. Parang na akong nagtatantrum sa loob-loob ko. Parang nakakainis naman to. Tapos pa-play ko na naman. Tapos, hanggang sa nainis na ako, parang naisip ko yung parang bata na hindi binigyan ng laruan. Nagtantrums ako sa mall, tapos ganun ako. Yung parang, yung ganun. So parang ganun yung feeling. So parang naging ganun siya, bat ba.
With the choreography, sobrang pinagtuunan ng pansin ni Kuya Jay.
Parang sinabi niya ng alawakan na.
That's so interesting.
Yung lawak tsaka yung power niya. Parang mas lumawak yung galaw mo. Kaya ginagano lang. Sa crowd.
Yung peacock symbolism din siya ng rebirth. May papasok ba natin?
Binalik ko yung mga old school. Kripo, saka break. Break mo. Yung gano'n, turot, yung mga gano'n sila. Pinapalibutan nila SB. Sa mga may win worship, parang gano'n, SB yun. Yung pinaiikutan nila. Hindi naman ako mahilig sa mga ibang games, pero may mga tinry akong games. Hindi ko alam kung makakatulong ba siya sa akin o hindi. Tinatry ko na lang, baka kasi makatulong. Later on, dun mo na lang siya na nare-realize na, itong part pala na to. Dun siya inspired sa na
That's
nilaro
so
ko.
cool.
Si Pablo, yung gumanon siya sa likod ng dancer, gumanon siya. Kusa siyang na-apply kasi nga, binuhay ko nga yung sarili ko dun sa parang nasa loob ako nung game.
That's cool that they like train and stretch together. That really helps with like the unity of the group. I can't even imagine how tired they must be. Like a zombie.
Yes, it's challenging for us din kung paano namin siya kailangan i-absorb and paano i-sync as one.
I love the feet sounds. They're all friends. I love that.
Hindi kailangan na masundan mo mismo yung detalye, but of course, masync mo yung emotion, yung proper execution, dapat nandun siya.
Mag-explore, mag-take ng risk, maraming sacrifices. So, yun yung mahirap.
What's wrong with my husband? Aww. Oh, and look at Stell rubbing his hand.
Naku, wala na to. Hindi ko na to kaya. Kasi yung dulo na dila ko. Feeling ko di mo pa nasasagad yung sakit.
Ang kakalabanin mo talaga yung ginawa mo kahapon.
Wow, that's a line right there.
Find me. And then...
Pagka pinanood mo yung dance, storytelling din siya. Makikita mo yung elements nung mismong music dun sa mismong choreography.
Again! Hey! They should have added that. They should have left that in there. Wow.
May sigaw kasi hindi kayo dun eh. Hindi kayo sinisigaw eh.
That's it for today.
Nagtitraining kami, nagpapalakas kami. Kasi sa totoong buhay, seryoso, nakakapagod talaga yung dam.
That's so crazy that they have to do so much training for one choreography. Like, I love this song before, but I love it even more now, knowing all of this.
Pero dahil sa training
Mad
at ulit
respect.
siyang ginagawa, mas nagiging natural na lang siya. So, ang challenge doon is, ready ka bang mag-commit?
Oh no, does he have a sprain?
Yung emotion na kailangan ng choreography, nandun siya and kailangan mo siyang ma-deliver ng maayos. Yung chorus talaga niya, sobrang something na masarap niya ulit-ulitin.
And you have to deliver that while you're exhausted. Oop, still giving face.
Para kami mga warrior, mandirigma, kumbaga. So kaya yung
He has
ganun,
incredible
bago
bone
sumugod
structure.
yung kalaban sa kampo, may mga kawal munang pupunta sa harap para salubungin yung kaaway. Bago nyo marating ang SB19, kami muna babanggain niyo.
That's still so surprising every time. Amazing. Amazing.
So, nagda-dance practice kami.
Oy, first take lang yun ha. The best take na yun.
Kasi simula at wakas nga, kinolek ko yung movement ng mga dating songs. Langumpay sa tsug-tsug-tsug. Ano to eh? What? May part sa what na merong ganito. Yung tug-tug-tug yaw! Ano yun eh? Feeling yun ng Gentod before eh. Na Gento!
Oh, yeah.
May story
that's
lahat. Hindi
Right.
lang siya
Wow, I didn't
ginawa
even
yung step na
notice
to
that.
Para lang masabi, mukhang maangas to, hindi ganun. Talagang meron siyang meaning, every detail, encrypted siya
Wow.
sa lyrics. With the dam choreography, parang nafe-feel ko siya talaga kung paano ko pinapakinggan and paano ko na-absorb yung music itself. Ganun din yung nafe-feel ko every time I perform the choreography.
Matagal-tagal na din ako sa industry na nagtuturo ng mga artista. Hindi sila nananatiling ganun. Gusto nila nag-i-step up para na silang athletes. Alam nila na the more na nagsisik pa sila ng mangyayari sa buhay nila, mas marami pa silang haharapin, mas marami pang struggle, mas marami pang challenges.
Stop. Look at Justin. Oh.
Nakakapagod kantahin.
I can see the
Nakakapagod
video
din
game
sayawin.
inspiration
Pero
a little
pinagsabay mo
bit
yung
in the
nakakapagod
video
sayawin,
now.
saka nakakapagod kantahin, talagang pagod ka na nun. Pero sila, pinakita nilang kaya namin, kuya.
Dell's bone structure. Ugh.
May mga parts na nakakahingal na, nakakapagod na, tapos
Ken is so
namumutla na. Kumbaga may mga ganon. Ngayon ko lang siya na-experience sa harap ko. Hindi lang isang beses, kundi kada training. Hindi sila maarte. Yun lang. Thank you sa lahat ng nakasama sa lahat ng journey. At lalo na sa mga 18 na sumuporta.
My husband. Wow. Mad respect for that journey. Like, holy cow, because like that is really something. Like, I talked about the choreography, I think the most when I reacted to the music video. Didn't I? I feel like I did. I feel like maybe I was trying to figure out the story. I know I talked about the choreography at some point. It might have been after I watched the dance practice where I said whoever choreographed this must really understand SB19. I stand by what I say. The bond that SB19 have created with those dancers is special, and really you can feel it with the synchronization of the song. I did not realize, like I know it's hard. I know the choreography was hard, right? I know it was complex. I've said that before, but I didn't realize exactly. Like, I've been out of dance now for about 10 years. Like, I haven't danced formally in 10 years. And so, obviously, I'm a lot older now and my body acts differently. So, like, I did not realize how physically intense, even for a younger person who is in shape and doing this all the time, how intense it would be. So it was really cool to see that journey, how much training and preparation that they put in, specifically training their body to be able to endure the kind of moves that they would have to do in the choreography is absolutely amazing and really shows the dedication that they have to making a whole performance. Like, they're not doing anything half-assed. They wanted to give an incredible 100% at the top performance, and it did not matter what it took to get there. They were going to do it, even if it meant training, even if it meant breaking their bodies. I mean, the dedication there is just beautiful, and it just, from everybody, right? Not just SB19, obviously from them as well, especially because they probably have schedules and are doing other things like recording in studio and making the song and doing storyboards and putting things together like that. But like the backup dancers too, the choreographer himself, like I said, I cannot imagine just listening to a song and then coming up with something that complex. I've choreographed some dances before when I was a teacher, but I've never even like tried or thought about to choreograph something that complex. So mad respect, really shows that this person has earned their place in the industry, if not more. And yeah, I just have so much freaking respect, so much respect for this particular song, for the group as a whole, for the choreography, for the choreographer, for the dancers, the bond that they have with SB19 and their choreographer. All of it is just truly amazing, and it's really beautiful to see, and I'm so glad that they made this. Thank you all for requesting this. I will be doing the other ones because I know there's a couple more, so I will be doing those as we go on. But that is it for today. As always, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share whatever the cool YouTubers say. It's your girl Alexa Takes a Look, and I am bouncing out. Bye!